We are at the Mahalia Mullins Cabin, located near Sneedville, Tennessee, at Vardy Valley. We wish to thank the caretakers of the cabin and other buildings as they granted us access, even though some restoration was taking place. Come along with us as Dave will read the information boards that are located around the property.
Melungeons, the mystery, the theories. People with Melungeon ancestry have been persecuted because of it. During the 1800s, laws excluded them from voting, attending public schools, and testifying in court against a white person. The theory that the Melungeons discovered America is only one of a dozen unproven legends about the origins. The word Melungeon refers to a people of mixed ancestry. Some say the Melungeons were descendants of Sir Walter Raleigh's colony of Englishmen of Roanoke Island, which mysteriously disappeared around 1560. Another bit of folklore declares that the Melungeon originated with deserters from De Soto's Spanish expedition of 1540. One of the most popular theories among the Melungeons themselves is that they are of Portuguese ancestry, related somehow to a long ago band of shipwrecked sailors. Creating the most interest and excitement among scholars is the theory that the Phoenicians, highly skilled seagoing people who ruled the oceans before Rome was built, may have found the Western world some 2,000 years before the time of Columbus. The most recent theory proposes that the Melungeons descended from Mediterranean or Middle Eastern ancestors. The actual origins of the Melungeons are still the subject of controversy. Newman's Ridge is one of the most famous of Melungeon territories. The Melungeons retreated to Vardy Valley, Newman's Ridge, and Powell Mountain to live in isolation, apparently unaccepted socially or legally in the white world. The actual origins of the Melungeons are still the subject of controversy. The people living in this area were extremely capable and quick-witted. Although times were hard and resources few, these people were able to learn from the land and use the land to support and feed their families. Coopers, silversmiths, blacksmiths, farmers, teachers, moonshiners, and bootleggers, to name a few, were occupations that helped support the families. Vardy Valley, named for Vardy Collins, lies nestled between Powell Mountain and Newman's Ridge on Blackwater Creek in Hancock County, Tennessee, and Lee County, Virginia. The land was acquired through land grants extended from the top of Newman's Ridge, crossing the breadth of the valley, and to the top of Powell Mountain. Vardy community existed before Hancock County was created in 1844. After 1796, it became part of Hawkins County, Tennessee, which was actually in the state of Franklin in Spencer County. Historians indicate that this community saw a lot of changes in its governing boundaries. In 1785, it was not only part of the Washington District of North Carolina, but also had been claimed by both Virginia and Kentucky. The four tribes of Melungeon families originated with the families known as Collins, Gibson, Goins, and Mullins. Names under these tribes include Anderson, Bales, Bell, Bunch, Delph, Denham, Hale, Harmon, Johnson, Moore, Mosley, Miner, Miser, Nichols, Reed, Sexton, Trent, Weaver, and Williams. Research has shown that having these surnames neither does nor does not make one a Melungeon. Although historical genealogy and genetic research has shed such much light on the mystery of the Melungeons, many questions still remain. The European Middle Eastern ancestors of the Melungeons arrived in America with the intention of establishing their families in a new land. Through intermarriage with Native Americans and African Americans, they managed to do so. Their descendants are at the forefront of the effort to find out who they were and how they eventually became the people known as Melungeons. Sources: Kennedy and Brent with Robin V. Kennedy. The Melungeons, The Resurrection of a Proud People, Macon, Georgia. Mercer University Press, 1950. Windows on the Past, The Cultural Heritage of Vardy. The Vardy Community Historical Society, 2002. Winkler Wayne about the Melungeons, February of 2004.
We wish to thank everyone for watching our videos on the Mahalia Mullins History Boards. Thank you for watching and supporting Kentucky Tennessee Living as we bring to you the lost and forgotten histories in Kentucky and Tennessee.